What if you could handle most emergencies with what's in your pocket? In today's video, I'll walk you through the top everyday carry items every prepper should have. First, let's talk tools. A reliable multi-tool is your best friend. It's compact and versatile. Add a folding knife for cutting tasks and a small flashlight for low-light situations. Next, think about safety and first aid. A compact first aid kit with bandages, antiseptic wipes, and basic medications can fit in your bag or glove compartment. Carry a whistle for signaling in emergencies. For communication, include a fully charged portable phone charger. It's a lifesaver when your battery dies in a critical moment. Personal defense items like pepper spray or a tactical pen can give you peace of mind. Always check local laws regarding these items. Finally, add convenience items like a reusable water bottle, a small notebook, and a pen for jotting down crucial information. Your EDC doesn't have to be bulky or expensive, it just needs to be practical and tailored to your daily needs. Hey, if you like this video and want more info on this topic, click on this video here. You can also get more life-saving information at isurvivethrive.com. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to our I Survive Thrive YouTube channel. Check the description below this video for helpful links.